All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the Turbo Accord is going to a new home. I just talked to the guy. He's on his way here. He's about an hour away. If you guys don't know, I have a playlist of when I bought this car, turboed it. It's still on a base map, like 4, occasionally 5 PSI. It's not a bad running car. It's just a rough car, you know what I mean? So I was planning on keeping it and playing around with it some more, but I ended up buying another car, and it's a 4-door turbo Honda, and I really don't have a place for this anymore. And instead of just pushing it to the back of the house and neglecting it even further, because I was kind of keeping it in front of the house just so that way I'd drive it and mess with it every once in a while. I still have tags on the car. I got to take the tags off. I bought the other one now just because I've been wanting that car for a while. You guys have seen it in past videos. I'm not going to spill what it is yet, but it is a swapped turbo Honda. So I'm pretty excited about that. But yeah, so this is going to be the send-off video. I guess if he doesn't buy it today, I already have a bunch of other people that are interested in this car. But yeah, so this is the send-off for the Accord, the old the cheap turbo challenge car, I guess, if you will. I'm gonna take it for one little rip down the street. My luck, it's probably gonna, blow up, but this has actually been a pretty decent running car for what it is. So let's see here. And the guy that's coming to buy it, I showed him all the videos of everything, so he knows what he's getting. I'm like, it's far from perfect, meaning that right there. Actually, the brand new starter is right there in that white box, but yeah, if you wiggle it every now and then. Okay, well, maybe, hold on, come on, baby, start up. Oh man, it's not happy today. I just got back from a Boone trip. I haven't drove it in like a week. It ain't, maybe the starters gave up its juice. I don't know. Come on. Really? Okay. I'm sweating out here, guys. This was supposed to be the last farewell drive Accord. Maybe the Accord doesn't want to go. There we go. Okay. Whew. I am sweating, that's for sure. So let's enjoy some of this AC here and do one little last drive with you. Oh, my phone's getting down to 5%, so we're gonna make this quick. All right, we're back. Oh yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just took the new owner of the Accord on a test drive. Colby, right? Yep. Yeah. He does not have a YouTube channel, so unfortunately, the car may go silent on the video side of things. Maybe I can talk him into making a video, and I'll put his link down below in the description if he can make a channel. But we just took it down the road. What are your thoughts of it?
Man, it's amazing. It's better than a 2020.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to assign the title over to him. And guys, just look forward to the next car that's coming on the channel. And we'll see you on the next one.
All right.
She goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is a different experience. I listed it online, and I was like, I basically tried to not sell the car by telling people everything that's wrong with it. I linked my YouTube videos to it. I was like, you know, it was built as like a joke, all that kind of stuff. And, you know, basically being 100% honest and upfront with people. And dude, he was just stoked to buy it. We took it. There he is getting on it. Yeah. We took it down the road on the highway. I showed him what it was about, and he was like, dude, I love it. I just want to get it and drive it around and put oil in it. And yeah, so hopefully he can make some videos on it. I'd love to see what he does with it, because in all reality, what was wrong with that car? It was just beat up and needs some TLC. So with that being said, y'all have a good one. And Colby, yeah, if you're seeing this video, make sure to comment down below and let us know where your YouTube channel is. So later, guys, have a good one. Adios.